what I wanted to share with you is I put some tufts of yarn on the Aerovault trailer. And at 80 miles an hour, which is the speed limit here in Texas, West Texas on I-10, I decided to pass a few 18-wheelers. Now you'll notice the yarn tufts in the front of the trailer tumbling because that's grabbing the airflow coming off the back of my Ram 2500 4x4. As I come up to the next 18-wheeler, I come up to another flatbed, and then ahead of it is a box van 18-wheeler with a 53-foot box. Notice that the tufts closest to the truck, where all of the airflow is coming off of the truck, is not changing its course. That's key. That means that the airflow is not disrupted from the sides of the trailer, meaning that the trailer is not going to get pushed over as a typical trailer would. See that? The tufts closest to the truck remain streamlined. They remain perfectly streamlined to the airflow going over the trailer. That is why the Aerovault has such an amazing towing capability when you're driving, and unbelievable stability.